Ebusiafo na ye cheche obi biara esan so ema ahwefo etiefo adofo ganafo amononefo abrochefo nyina ye mu nyina akwaba edeba Attention TV eso your most inspirational YouTube channel. Unse mabepie mu ewa hasabrea anase mabetena hot seat yeso a na abra me de trending news ensema ekotwi ebabrema oman Ghana mu ana maboabo ne nyina no me de besom ama wuso mu ne eko ene ne eba na me de nchia kesepa eko e de ma me maame ono no ye the original host ba ne wentimi amantimi na metena mfama mu e de aman enti jebre na me ncheche enensem na me wo mu emfa emamo yesi from na ya share ensem na se na yede amamu de na kamia yese yene nam aba fontin tan kese yeso akone ba bia na ekohu video bi na video na ye Ghana for ana omo toto bi edi amane Kwaku menu ne ex wife na se Kwaku menu ne yere dada na ne entia na wo mudi na tem nyina ene se ebra woni Kwaku menu ejai aware na so montem eteye no mami ekopie mu ewo US abrochi memu eno ana anyankopon aye mami adum emane nya broni kama bia broni no waware na wotwetwe mu ye in fact na ware na kama pa na ebra beto dwa se Kwaku menu ni ex wife aware Ghana fo bi no buefu omu didi mami atem didi na tem se weja wo ma ewo Ghana weja in fact nka ware mpogu ye mponka wase woti we ni hwe nkwadan wetu kwere e de akwakotena abrochi na in fact wakokonya be ma bia wa no abandon won man won koda in fact bebre na wo mo kasa ebi no so ba social media no so na so mo kasa ebi no so ekun ede ama oba na na sa ababa wa ne se enso oni Kwaku menu eja ya life must continue waso no so wanya be ma bi na se be ma na be so no mu waso ware no insta ba be yensam kika bibre eni ababa wa na nganso aba be kasa no no so aba be tu na no mutu o se Ghana foi e mama nko mame. Allow me to fight my own fight. Allow me to enjoy my marriage. Mama kwa na menji meni san say me ne Kwaku menu aware na sa ware na egu a me nko ana in fact am I the first person na me fa sa de mu ana ne kwa say me ware ana na me tena ho mama in fact lady na kasa bebre ne ko tie nsema lady ne kan.
So I'm just saying what guys, I've seen a lot of people fighting for me on social media. I know you guys love me. And you guys know everything that is going on. So, I just want to say thank you, but don't stress yourself. Don't stress yourself too much. And leave them alone. Listen.
Oh, you're here?
Yes.
Oh.
You're gonna fight, nothing will happen. So please, you want to say hi to people? I'm doing a video. Hi.
Hey.
Yes.
My beautiful wife.
Aja, ask to stop licking. So please stop fighting for me. Please. Okay?
Oh.
Leave them alone.
Oh, me?
Some people
I'll
are
fight
no,
for you.
I know, but some people, my friends, they are fighting for me. Listen, I don't need you to fight for me. Don't listen to them. Just ignore people. Let them. They have the right to say their mind. Leave them alone, please.
They're annoying.
Ebusiafo ha na be de ensem nyina ebesi e de ama me de ensem be me din ara NH comment makram